Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this 3D crochet pattern. This is the front side and this is the back side of the pattern, and you have to just repeat 2 rows. It's really easy. For the pattern you need to have a multiply of 5 chains plus 1. Let's get started. As I told you, for the pattern we start by make some chain and multiple of 5, and just make 15 and plus 1 extra. What we have to do in the first row, we start to make in the second chain, we start to make 1 single crochet. The next chain we make half double crochet by grab the yarn and then make these 3 together. The next chain we are going to make double crochet, the next chain we make long double crochet. It means that when I have 3 loops I'm going to make the first one, then the next 2 loops and 2 loops, and finally for the last stitches or chain I'm going to make triple crochet by grab the yarn twice, insert the hook in the next one and make triple crochet. As you can see here, I start with single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, long double crochet and triple crochet, then chain 3, and in the same chain we're going to make a slip stitch by grab the yarn and take it through this chain. Let's do it again. We insert the hook for the next chain, make single crochet, next one half double crochet, next one double crochet, long double crochet and triple crochet. Chain 3, insert the hook here, make slip stitch, and we repeat again. This is the end of row 1. When you make triple crochet, you should not chain 3, just only chain 1 and return the work. Now we are in row 2. I have to adjust the light because of the shadow. So in row 2 what we have to do exactly, we repeat like row 1, but in this part, as you can see here, I have triple a double crochet in the previous one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do front post single crochet by insert my hook here and make one single crochet. In the second one, I'm going to do front post half double crochet. In the third one, I'm going to do front post double crochet. As you can see here, the fourth one, I'm going to do the long double crochet, and then for the previous single crochet we make triple crochet. Like this. Now it's time to make another one. As you can see here, I have the previous 3 chain. I skipped that one. Insert my hook in the previous half double crochet and make one front post single crochet, and we repeat exactly like row 1 by make half double crochet, double crochet, long double crochet, and triple crochet in the previous single crochet. Just make sure row 2 you have to use front post. So it comes to the last part. We skip the chain, insert the hook here, and repeat. As I told you, for the last part, when you make triple crochet, it means this is the end of row 2. Just make one chain and return the work. As you can see here, this is the pattern looks like that. Now it's time to repeat row 1 and row 2. What we have to do in the first stitches, we make single crochet. The next one, exactly like row 1, half double crochet. Next stitches, double crochet. Next one, long double crochet, and triple crochet in the last one. Then chain 3, set the hook here, make a slip stitch, repeat. One, two, three, chain, slip stitch, repeat again, chain 1. This is the end of row 3. As I told you, you have to repeat row 1 and row 2, which means you have to return the work and exactly start from here to make a single crochet and half double, double, long double crochet and triple crochet in the last previous single crochet and skip that one and repeat again. If you repeat these 2 rows, after a few rows you are going to have the pattern like this, and this is useful for baby blanket or what other project you like. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to push the notification button. You are going to be informed when I upload the new videos. Thank you for watching again and have a great day.